If you have a kegerator at home, it is extremely important to keep those beer lines clean. How do you do that? Simple, with Kegconnection. I literally just finished cleaning the beer lines. I have a kegerator with 2 different lines, so 2 different kegs connected to it, and it's extremely easy, and I want to show you what the package comes with. It's so simple, yet, my goodness, I should have thought of this, right? So, it comes with the bottle right here that you have the attachment for. It's a little wet because clearly I just used it. The attachment here is for, of course, the bottle like this, and this will go into your spout, right into your keg line. And one of the most important things of this whole package is their Brew Clean right here. That's the detergent you will mix into warm water, hot water. I actually used warm water because my keg lines were quite dirty and I needed to get kind of like that grime out. It works fantastic. It gives that little soapy finish, and as you can see in the video, you literally connect it, get that pump or that water, soapy water with the detergent through the line, and then just clean it out with the clean water. It is so simple to use. Literally, the manual says 10 steps. I didn't count, but I'm pretty sure it was less than 10 steps. So easy to use. It comes, the whole kit comes with everything that you would need, and it takes about an hour and a half if you count the time that you're waiting for these components to kind of soak into the detergent. And it even comes with this really nifty tool that is great if you want to tighten or obviously loosen those beer lines, and especially the spout coming out of your keg. This is, or your kegerator, this is extremely important to have, and I did not have that. I was doing it by hand or with a wrench. This is a lot simpler, and it's exactly made for it, which is nice. And as you can see in the video, it's extremely easy to see, wow, that beer line was all gunky. It was dirty. It needed the clean, and the detergent does exactly that. And once you're passing on that clear water, that clean water at the end of the process, you see your lines completely flushed out of all the residue. Basically, you'll be able to enjoy your beer finally without any of those, components or any of those contaminants. And most people, like myself, ask the same question before even doing and attempting something like this. Is how often do I need to do this? As a rule of thumb, I like to clean the beer lines every time I change a keg. Of course, it will depend. If your keg is not being used and the kegerator will just stay still for a long period of time, before you have company over, or before you actually try to pour yourself a beer, probably it's a good idea to clean that beer line. But as a rule of thumb, genuinely speaking, every time you change a keg, clean that line, defrost that kegerator, and then you're good to go, and you can enjoy a fresh, proper beer.